virtual assistant from B2B Virtual Assistants. You know what? Every thriving business requires a solid support structure. And that's where we come in. Have you ever thought about what a virtual assistant can do for you? If managing your workload is starting to feel like spinning plates, a virtual assistant could be the solution you're looking for. From managing emails to scheduling appointments, data entry tasks, and creating professional reports, virtual assistants take care of the nitty-gritty of administrative tasks so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Imagine having your social media continuously updated, engaging with followers, planning posts, and running ad campaigns while you primarily focus on your core business. That's the power of a professional VA. Our VAs can also handle customer service, sorting out customer inquiries, and ensuring customer satisfaction at all times. Sales and marketing support including lead generation, email marketing, and market research, even bookkeeping. Our VAs are skilled in a broad spectrum of crucial tasks. And guess what? A dedicated VA can even assist you with personal tasks like booking travels and managing personal appointments, thereby helping you maintain a seamless work-life balance. Ready to propel your business to the next level with the help of a virtual assistant? Get in touch with us today.